Hey everybody, welcome to the firehouse. All the guys behind me are going to completely make fun of me for doing this, but I don't care. It gives me a chance to show you guys what we do on a day-to-day basis. This is actually one of Chief Bennett's ideas. He wanted to detail the tanker today, kind of actually clean all the equipment inside and out, clean all the compartments. So a lot of fun, but also a lot of work, so check it out. Chief Bennett in the back. He's shaking his head that he just can't stand it that I'm doing this. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go help him. So I'm gonna set the camera down. Y'all enjoy this cool little time lapse.